In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a voiceover with your video in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up your narration so it matches your visuals cleanly and professionally without any guesswork. First, sign into your InVideo account and head to your dashboard. From there, open the project you want to work on. Once the editor loads, we're going to work primarily in the timeline area. You'll find the timeline along the bottom of the screen. It shows your video clips, images, text layers, music, and importantly your voiceover as separate tracks stacked on top of each other. Take a moment to identify the voiceover track. It may be labeled as voiceover or audio, and you'll see the waveform, the visual representation of your audio, running across the track. Click the voiceover clip to select it. When it's selected, you'll notice it becomes highlighted, confirming you're about to adjust the right asset. Now we're going to align the voiceover with the corresponding video clip. Position the playhead, the vertical line that marks your current position, at the moment where you want the voice to start, like the first word of your script or the first beat of a scene change. Then drag the voiceover clip left or right until its beginning lines up with that playhead. If you need precision, zoom into the timeline so you can make finer adjustments. The waveform helps here. Look for the first spike in the audio that corresponds to the first spoken word, and match that to the visual cue in your clip. After you align it, it's time to test. Hit play a couple of seconds before the alignment point and watch and listen. Pay attention to whether your words land right when the visual action or on-screen text appears. If something feels a little early or late, pause, drag the voiceover slightly to nudge it in the right direction and play it again. Repeat this pause and play process until the sync feels natural and consistent. Work through the section you're syncing, testing each adjustment as you go. It often helps to listen to transitions between scenes or sentences to make sure there isn't a drift. Remember, small nudges can make a big difference, so take your time until it feels locked in. That's it. You logged in, opened your project, found the timeline, selected your voiceover track, dragged it to align with the clip, and then paused and played to confirm everything is perfectly synced. Keep refining with short tests and you'll get a clean, professional result.